To use Apple Pay on Expedia, start by going to the Expedia website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. The website features a language changer, property listings, and a search bar to check out stays, flights, and cars. Using Apple Pay on Expedia is a straightforward process. First, ensure you have a compatible device, such as an iPhone 6 or later, iPad Pro or later, Apple Watch Series 1 or later, or a Mac with Touch ID or Face ID. Then, add your credit or debit card information to the Wallet app on your device. Next, open the Expedia app or website, log into your account, choose your travel dates and destination, and select Apple Pay as your payment method on the checkout page. Confirm your payment using Face ID or Touch ID. Double-check your payment information, and confirm the booking. This process is convenient and easy to follow, allowing you to quickly book your travel arrangements using Apple Pay on Expedia.